There are Rolls-Royce Phantom Series II. There are some things in this world that are not merely created, but curated. Not simply built, but brought into being. This is the Rolls-Royce Phantom Series II. The pinnacle of automotive excellence, where every element, every whisper of a detail, is an act of relentless pursuit. A vehicle not for the common road, but for the discerning eye. A motorcar that doesn't just travel, but glides. A statement of authority, tempered by a serenity that is truly without equal. The exterior a timeless presence, reimagined the light catches the intricate details of the spirit of ecstasy. Its presence is commanding, its profile legendary. The Phantom Series II begins with a refreshed expression, starting with the iconic Pantheon grille. It is now more squared, more defined, and for the first time, it is illuminated. A soft, otherworldly glow emanates from within, a beacon of its unyielding status. A thin, polished horizontal line sits between the daytime running lights, creating a powerful horizon line that emphasizes the car's monumental width. If you have been captivated by the elegance and mastery of the Rolls-Royce Phantom Series II, make sure to stay connected with us for more luxurious automotive journeys and insights. Like this content if you appreciate the artistry and innovation inherent in the Phantom Series II. Share this with fellow enthusiasts who have a passion for excellence in automotive design and engineering. Subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content, reviews, and in-depth looks at the world's most prestigious vehicles. Every line is a deliberate stroke of genius. The signature short front and long rear overhang, a classic Rolls-Royce hallmark, remains. The broad C-pillar provides an essential element of privacy. The split belt line begins at the front fender, a gentle curve that accentuates the long dash-to-axle proportions before subtly falling toward the rear lamps, which are themselves like finely crafted lanterns. New wheel options further enhance the profile. Choose the elegant disc wheels, a romantic nod to the 1920s that appear to float as the car moves, or the modern, geometric 7-spoke design, 3D milled from stainless steel. Even in the darkness, it commands attention. The headlights are now graced with intricate, laser-cut bezel starlights. This is more than a design flourish. It's a visual connection to the celestial canopy that awaits inside. A detail that adds surprise and delight to the Phantom's nighttime presence, and a testament to the fact that perfection is in the small things. And what of the spirit of ecstasy? The legendary mascot now stands more prominently on the front of the car. It is a symbol of grace and speed, and a constant reminder of the effortless performance that lies beneath. Every curve, every facet, has been sculpted for a more aerodynamic and timeless form. This is not a car you simply look at. It's a presence you experience. The interior a curated sanctuary of bespoke perfection. Step inside, and you are no longer in a motorcar. You have entered a tranquil haven, a private sanctuary designed for absolute calm and comfort. The silence is profound, the craftsmanship unparalleled. The Starlight headliner, a constellation of hundreds of fiber optic lights meticulously woven into the leather roof, can be customized to your own celestial map. You can recreate the night sky from the day you were born, or simply enjoy a randomly generated, glittering display of pure artistry. This is not just a dashboard, it is the gallery. Encased in a single panel of glass, this space is a canvas for personal expression. You can commission bespoke works of art, a unique statement of your identity, beautifully and intimately displayed right in your line of sight. From 3D printed ceramic art to layers of ruthenium-coated materials, the gallery is a world first, a testament to Rolls-Royce's commitment to personal luxury. The sensory experience is all-encompassing. The finest hand-stitched leather envelopes every surface, each hide selected for its flawless quality. The bespoke program offers an infinite palette of colors, unique stitching patterns, and even a new textile made from bamboo fiber, offering a tactile and visual experience unlike any other. The hand-matched veneers, chosen for their perfect grain and luster, create an opulent landscape. And beneath your feet, lamb's wool carpets so deep and soft, you could be convinced you are walking on a cloud. For those who seek the ultimate repose, the rear cabin is a landscape of calm. With the extended wheelbase model, an additional 8.6 inches of space provides a true limousine experience. The rear massage seats are a luxury of their own, designed to soothe and restore. The privacy suite, a dedicated sanctuary, transforms the space into a completely secluded realm. From the refrigerated console to the dual rear screens for media, every convenience is thoughtfully integrated. The drive effortless power and magic carpet ride. A Rolls-Royce is not driven. It is commanded. Beneath the elegant hood lies a 6.75-liter V12 twin-turbocharged engine. But the true story of this powertrain isn't its 563 horsepower or 900 Nm of torque. It is the effortless, near-silent delivery of that power. It's an engine that disappears once in motion, providing a wave of smooth, instant torque that is almost electric in its refinement. The magic carpet ride is not a marketing phrase, it is an engineering reality. The planar suspension system, with its unique upper wishbone damper, works in harmony with the self-leveling air struts and the flag-bearer system. This technology reads the road ahead and prepares the suspension for changes in the surface, ensuring that bumps are not just absorbed, but utterly deleted. The all-wheel steering, meanwhile, provides a surprising nimbleness for a vehicle of this size, allowing it to navigate tight corners with the grace of a much smaller car. The Rolls-Royce Phantom Series II is a motorcar that embodies an uncompromising vision of perfection. It is not just about features and specifications, it is about the feeling it evokes. The feeling of absolute calm, of effortless power, of being truly in a class of your own. This is not a car you merely own, this is a legacy you carry. This is the pinnacle. This is Phantom.